Today we're going to make these super cute and quick paper angels.
To make today's craft, you're going to need one piece of white paper, so a large piece of white paper, a tiny little smaller piece of white paper, some ribbon, I have a longer piece and a shorter piece, a pencil, some scissors, and some glue. I'm just going to show you here that I have chosen some gold ribbon. So this is the gold ribbon for the top, and I have a little bit here. So if you don't have gold, you can choose whatever color you have. Also, I'm going to use white for my angel, but you could choose any color you wanted. So go ahead, grab the colors you want, the supplies you need, and let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is take that piece of paper you're using. I'm using the white. I'm going to put it in front of me, long side left to right, short side top to bottom, and I'm going to accordion the paper. Now what that means is I'm going to go at the bottom. I'm just going to fold over. So I'm folding up. So folding it over, but I'm folding it up. So let me just show you. So I'm folding up. Then I am going to lift it up, turn it over, and now the bottom is up here, and I'm going to fold it back. Then I'm going to pick it up, turn it over, and now I'm working from the bottom, and I'm folding it this way again. So I'm just going one way, then the other way. Lifting it up, turning it over, folding it back. So I'm making an accordion, lifting it, turning it over, folding it back. And I'm going to do that the whole way. Just nice and slowly, making sure that it's the same width each time. And then when you get to the end, there's sometimes just a little one. What I mean by that is just it's a little bit smaller, and that's okay. So now that I have it, I'm just going to push it a little bit with my fingers, putting some pressure so the accordion stays. I want to find the middle, so I'm going to just take this and fold it over till I find the middle. There's the middle with my fold line. I'm going to use my scissors and I'm going to cut that. So now I have two. So I have two accordions. I'm going to take one of them and I'm going to go about 3/4 of the way up, and I'm going to fold one side over. So 3/4 of the way up, fold it one side over. Guess what? We're doing the same thing with the other one. So you can even measure this one, just line them up and fold this one over. Okay, so we have one folded, the other one folded. That is perfect. Now that small piece of white paper, this is for the head, so if you're not using white, choose the color you are using. And I'm going to use the lid of my glue as a tracer. Using my pencil, I'm going to trace that lid. If you don't have one, just draw a circle for your head. It's not a problem. And then once you have your circle, you're going to cut that out. So I have my circle. Now we want to take the larger ribbon. So if you need to cut a ribbon, this is just going to be to hang. So you just want to make sure that you have enough that you can hang up your angel. So you choose the length you would like. So you're going to grab this page here, and you can see I have the fold over on this side and then the long side here. I'm actually going to put a little bit of glue there. So on the end, and that is where one side of my ribbon is going. So you can see I'm just gluing the ribbon right inside there. There we go. Then I'm going to go to the other one. And with this one, I am actually going to put glue on the whole thing. So put glue on the whole side. And I'm going to take the other side of that ribbon. I'm going to put that down first. So I'm putting the other side of the ribbon down. You can see the other side glues. Then, I don't want to get that ribbon stuck in there, but I'm going to glue these two pieces together, just making sure the ribbon isn't stuck inside. You can see my ribbon wants to curl a little bit here. There we go. I'm going to push, 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 push so that glue sticks. And then I should be able to open it up. Open up the sides. You can see our angel is already looking like an angel. Okay, now that I have that, I'm actually going to put some, I want to glue this down to here. So if you can put a little bit of glue on the one side here and glue this down. And guess what? Same thing on the other side. Gonna push that down. I'm just gonna hold it for a bit. Helps to get everything secure. There we go. Now we have our head. If you want to put a face on here, you're more than welcome to. I am not going to, but if you want to put a face, you can do that. And then when you're done doing that, you're just going to put a little bit of glue on one end of it. So here I'm going to put a little bit of glue and I'm going to glue it right on top. We're almost done. Remember that other ribbon I said you needed? So here is a much smaller ribbon. If you have a hard time tying ribbon, you could make a larger one and then cut it. But for this ribbon, I'm going to take it and I am going to tie a little knot. You might need help with this part, but I'm going to tie a knot and I want that knot to go in the middle. So see how I have it right in the middle? There's a little bit on this side and a little bit on that side, and then the knot is in the middle. Hopefully you can see that. Then I'm going to take my scissors, holding them together so I don't hurt myself. I am going to just pull to make that ribbon curl. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Make that ribbon curl. And if you need help with this, go ahead and ask someone to give you a hand. So now you'll see I have the little knot in the middle, and then I've curled one side and I've curled the other. I am going to put some glue on that little knot that I put in the middle. I have to put quite a bit for this to work. And then I'm going to glue it just underneath where we put the head. And there we go, we have it. And now you know how to make your angel. You could make them in a variety of different colors. You could put different faces on them. They're so pretty. Look excellent hanging up on a Christmas tree.
Thanks for joining me on Craft Club for Kids. Remember, be creative and have fun.